Hey you guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a short review on the Morimoto XB LED headlights for the 370Z. As you can tell, I currently have them installed on the car. They've only been on there for a little over a week now. So my plan is, when I've had them for about 6 months to a year, I will post an update video just to tell you guys how they've held up. As far as the quality and the fitment, both are basically perfect. The fitment is just like OEM. They fit perfectly in there, no gaps or anything. And so far the build quality seems to be okay. But again, I have not had them on that long, so I'll have to wait, 6 months to a year to really determine that. Now there's one funny thing this will do. If you don't have the car on, but you turn the blinker on, it will hyper flash. Which is kind of strange, but as soon as you turn the car on, that goes away. And then the hazards will do the same thing as well, which I can show you real quick. So again, they only do this when the car is not turned on. Once you turn the car on, that stops. So, another thing I really like about these headlights is you have the Switchback DRLs. So obviously you have your running lights, and then when you turn your blinker on, these will turn into the turn signal. Now you can get sequential turn signals. There is a way you can hook that up. However, I just wanted to stick with the normal blinker because I think it looks better in my opinion. But you can do the sequential turn signal if you want, which that for me was a selling point at first, was the sequential turn signal. And again, you do have the daytime running lights, which I can show you real quick. So these running lights look super badass in my opinion anyway. They are pretty bright. However, the only complaint I have about these is I also have my OEM DRLs still, and during the day, these basically outshine those. So you can see these pretty easily, but these you can't really see during the day. Once it starts to get dark out, you can see these a lot better. But if you're driving around in the middle of the day, you'll be able to see these way better than these, which I don't really like that much. I would like them to be even. But again, that's just a small nitpick, nothing crazy. They do look really nice. Show you guys the low beams real quick. So I really do like the tri projectors. Really nice. And these lights are definitely a lot brighter than the stock headlights. Now these are the high beams, probably can't really tell, but they're much brighter. So yeah, that's basically a short review of the Morimoto XB LED headlights for the 370Z. I will post links in the description down below to all of my other videos about these headlights, and I can post a link to where I got mine. Thanks for watching.